Another interesting algebraic problem is here for you, and we have to find the value of x. So we have to have 2 raised to power 6 to left side. We will get x power 6 minus 2 power 6 is equal to 0. Now we made difference of squared. So x cube squared minus 2 cube squared is equal to 0. Here we will use an identity. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So we will get x cubed minus 2 cubed times x cubed plus 2 cubed is equal to 0. There are two cases. The first case is x cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0, or x cubed plus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Here again we will apply a formula. A cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Similarly, we can apply a formula here. A cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So we will get x minus 2 x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared. And similarly, here we will get x plus 2 x squared minus 2x plus 2 squared. It is equal to 0, or this one is equal to 0. So here are two cases. X minus 2 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. And here x plus 2 should be equal to 0, or x squared minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. It is simple, so x will be equal to 2. It is the first solution. And here we will apply quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 4. So by applying quadratic formula, we will get x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we will get minus 2 plus minus b squared mean 2 squared minus 4 ac divided by 2a. So x will be equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 16 divided by 2. So x will be equal to minus 2 plus minus 12 divided by 2. So minus 2 plus minus, by making factors, we will get 4 times 3 times minus 1 divided by 2. So we will get minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 is 2. It is as it is, and minus 1 square root is iota divided by 2. Now taking 2 as common, we will get minus 1 plus minus a square root of 3 iota. Because after taking common, this 2 is cancelled with the above 1. Similarly, from this, we will get x is equal to minus 2. And here we will apply quadratic formula. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to 4. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x will be equal to minus b mean minus 2 plus minus b squared minus 2 squared minus 4a c divided by 2 times 1. So we simplify it. It will become 2 a square root of 4 minus 16 divided by 2. We will get 2 plus minus 12 divided by 2. So we will make factors of 12. 4 times 3 times minus 1 divided by 2. So x will be equal to 2 plus minus 2 a square root of 3 and minus 1 square root is iota divided by 2. So after taking 2 as common, there is a cancellation and we will get 1 plus minus the square root of 3 iota. So we have 6 solution set. The first one is this, second one is this, and there are 2 solutions here, and 2 solution sets here. So total solution sets are 6 because variable has bar 6. Thank you for watching my channel.